Good afternoon, everyone. I will present my paper about growth and yield response of local soybean in the giving of various organic fertilizer. My team Muji Rahayu, Edi Purwanto, Andriana Setiawati, Amalia Tetrani Sakya, Samanhuti Ahmad Yunus, Joko Purnomo, Kenny Cahyo Handoyo, Retno Bandriati Arni Putri, and Savanatun Naimah. Introduction. Soybean is the basic material for many kinds of industrial, such as tofu and tempeh industries. National soybean need a quite large, and this is made from national production and import. Effort to suppress or release dependence on import can be done by developing the cultivation of local soybean varieties of good quality. Indonesia has a large variety of local soybean germplasms and has the potential to be used optimally as breeding material. Anjas moro is one of the soybean varieties that are widely cultivated by farmers. Varieties play an important role in soybean production because achieving high yield in large is determined by their genetic potential. Potential yield in the field are influenced by the interaction between genetic factor and the management of environmental conditions. Soybean growth is influenced by soil fertility. The use of organic fertilizer can be used as an alternative for farmers to reduce the use of inorganic fertilizer. The application of organic fertilizer has a positive effect. Organic fertilizer have a direct impact on plant growth. Several previous studies related to the use of various organic fertilizers show some result. For example, giving rabbit urine 80 milliliter per 1 liter of water causes soybean plant head to be 3.32 centimeter higher than not given fertilizer, based on research by Vika et al. 2018. Purba et al. 2018 reported the dose of co-manure 30 tons per hectare gave the most effect and was at the age of 56 days after planting. Arifin and Indra 2018 reported spraying liquid fertilizer at a concentration of 2.86 milliliter per liter gave the best result, the number of pot and the number of soybean seed. The problem, the nutritional content of various types of organic fertilizer, such as manure, compost, liquid fertilizer, and other organic fertilizer is very diverse, so that the response of soybean plant to the application of various types of organic fertilizer is also different. Research objective to study the response of growth and yield of local variety of soybean Anjas moro to various of organic fertilizer. Methods. The research was carried out from June until October 2020. The experiment using polybag was carried out at the greenhouse of Agriculture Faculty 11 Maret University, Surakarta. Laboratory analysis was held at the Plant Physiology and Biotechnology Laboratory and the Plant Ecology and Management Laboratory, Agriculture Faculty 11 Maret University. The experiment used a one-factor completely randomized design with 6 treatments, namely type of fertilizer. The type of fertilizer consists of no organic fertilizer, liquid organic fertilizer, compost, co-manure, rabbit urine fertilizer, and good manure. Its experimental unit consists of for plant, each repeat 4 times. Observation variable include plant head, number of leaf, leaf area, plant dry width, number of root nodule, number of pod, number of seed, and with seed per plant. Data were analyzed using analysis of variant and Duncan multiple rank test. Result and discussion, plan head. Based on the table 1, 42 days after planting, Anjas Moro soybean were the highest plant in the compost fertilizer treatment, 139.79 centimeter, but it's not significantly different from co-manure and good manure. Number of leaf. The number of leaves at the age of 42 days after planting was the most in the application of good manure and was not significantly different from compost. Leaf area, the application of good manure also produced the wet leaf of 28 days after planting and was not significantly different from compost and co-manure. Compost, co-manure, and good manure solid organic fertilizer. The addition of organic fertilizer can increase organic matter and improve soil's physical properties that play a role in root penetration, water absorption, and nutrition. The formula contained in the good manure can positively increase plant growth and yield. Number of root nodule. The application of various organic fertilizer didn't significantly affect the number of root nodule. The most common root nodule produced were in the treatment of liquid organic fertilizer. Zen and Leilani, 2008, also reported that the addition of liquid organic fertilizer on 240 milliliter per polybag was able to produce the highest number of root nodule compared to others. Dry weight of plant, the kind of organic fertilizer, only had a significant effect on the dry weight of soybean plant at 28 days after planting, while at the age of 56 days after planting and 82 days after planting, there was no significant effect. Table 5 shows the highest dry weight of soybean plant at the age of 28 days after planting, 56 days after planting, and 82 days after planting was in the application of good manure, although not significantly different from the other treatment. Yield and yield component, table 6 shows that the application of various organic fertilizer didn't significantly affect the yield and yield component of soybean. Both yield and yield component, the highest yield were produced by applying good manure, although they were not significantly different from others. This is influenced by plant vegetative growth, where the highest vegetative growth of soybean plant was also in the application of good manure. Conclusion. The conclusion of this research, provision of compost and good manure increase the growth of local soybean plant, include plant head and number of leaves, 42 days after planting, and leaf area at 28 days after planting. Second, the application of various organic fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, compost, co-manure, good manure, and rapid urine has not been able to increase the yield and yield component of local soybean. That's all my presentation. Thank you very much.